Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character B. Step by step, I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. B. Certainly. Must. For example, 未必. Not necessarily. Maybe not. Here is the sentence. This is not necessarily what we want. 这样的情况未必是我们想要的。This is not necessarily what we want. What we want.这样的情况。未必是我们想要的。这样的情况。这样的情况未必是我们想要的。This is not necessarily what we want. 这样的情况未必是我们想要的。Be inclusive. B. Certainly. Must. 未必 Not necessarily. Maybe not. This is not necessarily what we want. 这样的情况未必是我们想要的。B. Please comment any words or sentence with the character B. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.